Hey, what is going on, guys? This is CLDY here. And today we're doing the Supreme FW20 Week 1 live cop, which is going to be crazy because there's so much dropping and there's so much to grab, and I'm kind of nervous because there's a lot of things that can go wrong in the Supreme live cop. So hopefully I don't take a crazy L because that would be really tragic. So right now I'm looking at the sellout times from the EU. Was just watching Robert, or the gaming guy, watching his live cop, just to see like is anything different with the Supreme website. Looks like everything's the same, so that's good. In that area, looks like everything is still the same as we all remember it. And look at the sellout time, looks like the basketball freaking flew, so my chances of getting that, I'm assuming, are gonna be pretty low. Don't think I'll be able to get it, but maybe I should give it a go because it is sell out so fast, so that means that the resale on it might be very good. So it might be smart to give that a go. So maybe I will, I don't know. Maybe that might be the first item I'm going for, considering it's sold out so much faster than every other item, including the Pharoah Sanders Tee. So it seems like it might be a good grab because it just sold out so fast. So it might be worth a try. Apparently in the EU, like, bots were having a hard time and stuff, which might mean that the manual users could have a better chance because Supreme apparently did make a big update to the anti-bot system like right before the drop. But a lot of bots already made the updates between the Europe and the US drop, which is I think like a 5-hour difference or 6 hours different. They already made the update so that the bots might work now for the US drop, so that might be bad for the manual users. I don't know. The drop is gonna happen soon. I might kind of like just chill out until the drop, and hopefully I cook some stuff up. Hopefully some of you guys cook some stuff up. Good luck to you guys, even though by the time you guys are watching this video, you guys have already went through the drop, but I'm like sending out the luck, in the air. So right now I'm chilling on my Discord like I usually do before these drops. See, like, wishing everybody good luck. Everyone's wishing each other good luck. So yeah, it's a good vibes in there. All right, 30 seconds from the drop. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, did it kick me out? What? What's going on? Okay, here we go. Add to cart. Check out now. Oh my god, I don't have delay on. I'm just gonna have to turn it off. How do I disable it? Remove from Chrome? I don't know. I don't have the delay on, so I can't cart with that thing. It just doesn't give me L's. They cart checkout now. Hopefully that's good. Oh, that's sold out. Okay. Let's go for some of the stuff, my personal cops now. Verified Tee. Okay, let's do these two in a cart. Check out now. All right, let's get that processing. Bicycles. Oh my god, there's no, skip this one. Motorcycles. Is that good? What colorway is in a Jet Tee? I'll take that maybe. Come on guys, complete these checkouts, please. Complete these checkouts. Bruh. Oh my god, that is an L. No, it's sold out now, bruh. Just give me anything. I'll take it that size. Oh no, that is an L, dude. Oh my god, high traffic. You're joking, dude. Oh no. You're joking. Bro, just give me a W, dude. Oh no, please, dude, you're joking. Dude, bro, this thing has been processing for like a fucking minute now, dude. That is so long, man. I'm gonna check my phone to see did I get a charge for this thing yet, because holy crap, man, that is taking forever. You know what? I could start another incognito window and then like start like adding stuff to cart maybe, right? Like adding some of the personals that I want. Hope this one's a cop, dude. It's been loading for so long. Imagine it gives me an L now. Oh wait, incognito doesn't work like that. Bro, come on, dude. Just give me a checkout, please. What the hell is going on? Okay, that one's a dub. So we can get back to checking out now. Add a large to cart. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what's still in stock. Name tags. Oh, those are still in stock. Let's grab some of these. I just want one, to be honest. I don't want this. So I'll grab one. Oh, it's sold out. Crap. All right, check out now. Bro, took some fat L's, dude. Took some fat L's. This one has to be good, right? It's been processing for so fucking long, dude. Like, at least give me that W. Bro, just check out already. I just like know that I actually got it, and then take an L, dude. And so that I can go like add other stuff and go check out other items, you know? Like, why are you doing this to me, Supreme? What is going on, dude? Please just check out already. For fuck's sake, dude, just check out. Especially the one on the right. That gives me an L. It's been processing for minutes now. That gives me an L. That is so stupid. Like, that would be so stupid if the one on the right gives me an L. Like, why? Why? So ended up getting the Pharoah Sanders Tee right here. Just a little quick update. This one is still processing. It's been a few minutes now. Yeah, I'm gonna keep waiting. This one's still processing. Right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I was thinking I'll grab a backpack just because I want to get one, and then maybe like kind of want to grab a backpack for a review or something like that. But they are kind of expensive. But I kind of do want to like get a backpack. I don't know. Do I really want one? It's hard to choose. Just looking at the rest of the stuff, everything is like sort of sitting, which is surprising. But some stuff did flew, so I guess you get this really long like processing thing, you are good. So there. So this order just completed, which is just some personal items that I wanted. And yeah, don't really know. I think that's it. That's all the personals that I wanted, right? Wow, this thing is still sitting. But I got the Futura Tee that I wanted for the personal, the verified tee. Got a Jet Tee, got the Pharoah Sanders Tee. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I wanted for the personal. So yeah, that's pretty good, I guess. Not a bad L. Wish I could have grabbed like the basketballs on that, or this one in better colorway, just so I can resell this, because this is not something that I really want. So yeah, but that is all for my live cop. Ending up getting some pretty decent cops. Nothing like too crazy. Really wanted the Sanders one in black and really wanted the basketball, but those were L's. That's fine. Didn't get the cards either. So it's fine. But that's gonna be it for my live cop. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like down below. Leave a comment down below, like what did you guys cop me to drop. I'm pretty sure like you guys took W's. If you guys like want just going for body, you guys were doing manual and everything too, I'm pretty sure you guys took dubs, so that's good. But that's it for the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Go join my Discord, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.